Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the VacuMaid GV50PRO. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention too, real quick, I actually found a pretty good deal on this. I'll put a link below in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I was looking for a good quality garage mounted vacuum cleaner, something that wasn't super expensive, but something that was good quality and it would last a long time. Did quite a bit of research online, asked Reddit a few things, looked around, and everybody kind of agreed and pointed towards the VacuMaids. And I guess if you kind of want the short version of this review, I'm super happy with it and I do highly recommend it. But I'll talk a little bit more about why. For one, the build quality of this thing is excellent. It feels very premium. It looks very premium. Nothing was like cheaply made on it. The motor is very powerful. It just has a nice sound to it. You can tell it's a well-made machine. They didn't cheap out on anything. The hose is really good quality. It doesn't kink. It feels very heavy duty, like it's not going to break or tear or anything like that. You get all stainless steel nozzles and attachments, which is really nice because those are kind of the things that get messed up the most. And you get a really good quality hose reel with it too. It is plastic, but it's very sturdy, very heavy duty. In terms of power, it's extremely powerful. This is easily on par, if not better, than the vacuums you would get at a car wash or something like that. Extremely powerful suction on these things, and it's very easy to change the bags out on the inside. There is disposable HEPA bags that you put inside there that have very, very large capacity. The nice thing about it too is you don't lose suction with them because you're getting such a large bag on the inside. The HEPA bags are pretty cheap as well. You can pick up a 3-pack for about 20-ish bucks, something like that. But yeah, easy to install, mounts up really quick, looks good in the garage, super good quality, and for the money, it's an awesome thing. No, it's not the most expensive one in the world, but like I said, for the money, your bang for your buck, this is the one to get in my opinion. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.